Hello friends. Welcome to Crazy Srimanta. Party Popper. I'm so happy to see you here today. If you love learning English, improving your communication skills, and exploring interesting real-life topics in a fun and easy way, then this channel is perfect for you. Today's topic is going to be exciting, informative, and helpful for your daily life. So, stay with me until the end and don't miss any important points. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Finally, we found a place to sit.
Yes, my legs were getting tired.
Mine too.
We still have some time before the train arrives.
That's true.
Are you excited about your journey?
Very excited.
What are you looking forward to the most?
Meeting my cousins.
That sounds fun.
We haven't met for a long time.
They must be excited too.
I think so.
Traveling always brings happiness.
Especially when visiting family.
I completely agree.
The station is very lively.
There is always something happening.
I enjoy watching people.
Me too.
Everyone seems busy.
That's the nature of a railway station.
Every traveler has a destination.
And every destination has a story.
That's beautiful.
How many train journeys have you taken?
I can't count them all.
You must be an experienced traveler.
Maybe a little.
What was your favorite trip?
My trip to Darjeeling.
What was your favorite trip?
My trip to Darjeeling.
Why was it special?
The mountains were beautiful.
I would love to visit there someday.
You definitely should.
Have you ever missed a train?
Once.
Really?
Yes, I arrived late at the station.
What happened then?
I had to wait for the next train.
That must have been frustrating.
It was.
Since then, do you arrive early?
Always.
That's a good lesson.
Experience teaches us many things.
Absolutely.
Every journey teaches something new.
I couldn't agree more.
I'm feeling a little thirsty.
Let's buy some tea.
Great idea.
Railway station tea is famous.
I've heard that too.
Shall we order 2 cups?
Yes, please.
The tea smells wonderful.
It really does.
Here's your cup.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The tea is hot.
Be careful.
Wow. It tastes amazing.
I told you.
Now I understand why people love it.
Tea and train journeys go together.
That's true.
This is relaxing.
Very relaxing.
A cup of tea improves everything.
Especially while traveling.
Exactly.
I'm enjoying this moment. The tea seller looks very busy.
Yes, many passengers are buying tea.
Railway stations never sleep.
That's true.
Vendors work very hard.
They serve hundreds of people daily.
That's impressive.
It certainly is.
Have you noticed how friendly people are?
Yes, most travelers are polite.
Traveling creates positive interactions.
I agree.
The station feels like a small city.
That's a great description.
People from different places meet here.
Different languages and cultures too.
That's what makes travel interesting.
We learn from others.
Every conversation teaches something.
Exactly.
I enjoy meeting new people.
Me too.
Travel broadens our minds.
Very well said.
Thank you. Look at all these passengers.
There are so many different people.
I see students.
I see families.
Some people look excited.
Some look tired.
A few are carrying huge bags.
They might be traveling far away.
Traveling requires preparation.
Definitely.
That child looks very happy.
He is probably excited about the train.
Children love train journeys.
So do many adults.
I can hear another announcement.
Maybe the train is coming soon.
I hope so.
The waiting is almost over.
My excitement is growing.
That's natural.
I can already imagine the journey.
Adventure is waiting for you.
I can't wait to begin.
The best part is yet to come.
Let's get ready.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And write this sentence in the comments. I will speak English every day. I read every comment. Keep practicing. Keep smiling. And keep improving your English. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.